Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Merdad's equipment from Washington, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And the unit came in parts, so everything was apart, and we want to troubleshoot this unit and find the issues and repair them. And we want to go ahead and give you a look at some of the linkage. Now this would be located inside Mickey, and it's for the arm to hang Mickey up. Of course, our handset, our top cover, and Mickey. And we want to go ahead and take a look at the board. Our main PC board, I've already found, I don't know that the video will pick it up, there is some solder issues going on this main PC board, and I see a really bad solder joint right here, and that needs to be taken care of. So we want to resolder that main PC board. And we're going to troubleshoot all the issues. We want to go through our keypad also, and the hook switch. There's some pieces missing from that hook switch, so we want to take a look at that issue. We're going to go ahead and get a start on the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of troubleshooting this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we want to show a little bit about what's going on. Now we've taken Mickey apart, and we have our bracket that the linkage runs inside of, and that works the arm, the hanger for the hook switch. And we want to show that this bracket is broken, and so we need to replace that. We also want to take a look at the hook switch because we know there's some pieces missing from the hook switch, and then we also want to resolder our main PC board. So we want to go ahead and take care of these issues, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button, and you might hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'm going to release it. I'll press it one more time, and I'll go ahead and release it. It's pretty quiet tonight. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Today is Friday, March 24th. The current time, 10:17 p.m. and the temperature, 55 degrees.
We can hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return Mickey and they can enjoy this telephone once again. Now these are highly collectible, very sought after telephones. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.